I'm sitting here on my sofa after I cleaned it, and I've got a few battery chargers that I got from Walmart. I just cleaned my couch and just sitting here, living in an old house, want to relax. So I've got my charger over there with a long cord going into the wall. I only have one outlet over there and one over there, of course, but there's not one behind me. There's my speaker on the wall, and this is the only one that I've got to power all of this shit. My stereo, my TV. Then I've got this charger, the cord leading down, going to this charger. I have two, and it's long enough to go all the way to my wall. Both of these are charging. That one over there. And my phone's charging all at the same time. Because I use these USB long cords and the chargers. I'm sitting way over here. That's what's up.